Hello children, welcome back again in our next class of mathematics. We are in chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. So in the last session we have completed with exercise 9.3 children. I hope you all are writing all these notes in your classwork and practicing all the homework sums whichever is given to you. So let us begin with today's new topic, that is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Till now children, we have seen multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So the second expression used to be a binomial or a trinomial, right? But the first expression or the second one of the expression used to be always a monomial. Now in this one we will see how to multiply a polynomial by a polynomial. In that also first we will see multiplying a binomial by a binomial. So here both the expressions will be binomial. There will be two terms. So let us see one example children. Now if you see here, it is x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now if you see here children, both the expressions are binomials. There are two terms in both the expressions. Each and every term from each expression multiplies to the each and every term in the second expression. That is, x is multiplied to the 2x plus 3 and negative 4 is multiplied to 2x plus 3. So let us see how to solve this one by one. So I will take the first term from the first expression, that is x minus 4. I have taken first term, that is x multiplied by, in the bracket, I will take the complete second expression, that is a second binomial, that is 2x plus 3. I hope this is clear. Now I will take the second term from this first expression, that is negative 4, that is minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3 in the bracket. So I have multiplied here each and every term with the second expression here. I hope this is clear. If there are three terms children, again the third term you will multiply with the second expression. So now let us multiply. Now this multiplication everybody knows, it is a multiplication of a monomial to the polynomial. So x multiplied by 2x will be 2x square plus, as it is, x multiplied by 3 will be 3x. Again, now negative 4 multiplied by 2x, that is 4 2s are 8, but it will be minus 8x. Now 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12, but it will be again negative. Positive negative will be negative. So here this you have to be very careful children if there is a negative sign. Now it will be 2x squared. Now we are simplifying this. If you see this children, these are like terms, that is x variables are same, powers are same. 3x minus 8x. So here 3 minus 8 will be minus 5x as it is. We have added our or subtracted our like terms, that is 3x minus 8x will be minus 5x and minus 12 as it is. So the final answer will be children 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. I hope this is clear. Now let us see once again the solution. So here if you see, x is multiplied to the first term from the first expression is multiplied to the second expression. Second term is multiplied to the second expression. So one by one we have multiplied it. Okay. Now x into 2x will be 2x squared x into 3 will be 3x, if you see here. Now 4 into 2x will be minus 8x, and minus 4 into 3 will be minus 12. And then 2x square, here 3x minus 8x will be minus 5x and minus 12 as it is. We have added here the like terms. So this is how we can simplify and we can multiply the binomial to binomial, children. Next one is how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. So again the steps will be same. Each and every term from the first expression you have to multiply it to the second expression. So let us see one more example. So if you see here, it is a plus 7 multiplied by, in bracket, a square plus 3a plus 5. So this is a binomial multiplied to a trinomial. So what you can do is, children, a multiplied by full second expression, that is a square plus 3a plus 5, and then plus 7 multiplied by again a square plus 3a plus 5. So now you will multiply one by one, okay, and you can simplify at the end. So let us see the solution. A multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5 in the bracket, plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5 in the bracket. As I said, each and every term you have to multiply with this trinomial. So a into a square will be a cube. A into 3a will be 3a square. A multiplied by 5 will be 5a. Plus 7 into a square will be 7a square. 7 into 3a will be 21a. 7 into 5 will be 35. Now let us rearrange the terms. Let us take the like terms in the one bracket. So a cube, I cannot see any other cube terms, so I have kept it as it is. Plus 3a square and plus 7a square I have brought in a bracket. Plus 5a 21a I have brought in the one bracket, that is 5a plus 21a. You have to be very careful with the sign, children, whether it is a plus or minus. So here I can see all are addition, that is plus. So you will take all the addition, plus 35 as it is. Now 3a square plus 7a square will be 10a square. We add the coefficients. In addition, we have already studied, children. 5a plus 21a will be 26a and 35, and a cube as it is. So the final answer will be a cube plus 10a square plus 26a plus 35. So go through all these sums and once again try to solve it in your book. Okay. Now let us start with our exercise 9.4. Depends on related to the same topic, that is polynomial to polynomial multiplication. So this is question number 1. Multiply the binomials, and there are 6 sums given, children. Let us start one by one. So this is 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now let us start one by one. I will take the terms from the first expression and will multiply with the complete second expression. So let us begin. 2x, that is the first term, multiplied by the next expression, that is 4x minus 3, plus, because here it is given plus, 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. I hope this is clear. Now let us multiply. 2x multiplied by 4x will be 8x square minus 2x multiplied by negative 3 will be 6x plus 5 multiplied by 4x will be 20x and minus 5 3s are, that is 5 multiplied by negative 3 it is, so it will be negative 15. Now if you see 8x square will be as it is, minus 6x plus 20x you have to solve, further simplify because there are like terms, and negative 15 will be as it is. So let us see the solution. So 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Then 2x multiplied by 4x will be 8x square. First multiplying the coefficients and then the variable. So 4 2s are 8. X into x will be x square. Minus 2x into negative 3 will be negative 6x. 5 multiplied by 4x will be equal to plus 20x. And 5 multiplied by negative 3 will be negative 15. Now 8x square as it is. Minus 6x plus 20x will be 14x. Okay, that is nothing but 20 minus 6 is 14. So 14x minus 15 as it is. I hope this is clear, children. You have to copy these answers in your classwork, whichever is being taught from the exercise. So second one, children, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. I hope now you people understood. So let us begin with the first term from the first expression. Take y multiplied by 3y minus 4. Now in the first expression it is negative 8. So I will take negative 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4, the complete bracket. So which is nothing but equal to y multiplied by 3y will be 3y square. Negative sign as it is. Y multiplied by 4 will be 4y. Now next one, negative 8 multiplied by 3y will be negative 24y. And negative will be plus. 8 4s are 36. So now it will be 3y square. And negative 4y, negative 24y will be negative 28y, right? Not square, children. This is addition, right? So here we will not write y square. We are adding, children, not multiplying. So it will be just 28y minus 28y and plus 36 as it is. So let us see the solution. Sorry, 32 it is. 8 4s are 32, children. So now y multiplied by 3y minus 4 minus 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4. Y into 3y will be 3y square. Y into negative 4 will be negative 4y. Negative 8 into 3y will be plus 24y. Sorry, 24y. It is minus 24y, children, not plus. Make a correction here, children. So it is negative 8 into 3y will be negative 24. Here make a correction, children. It is negative 24y and minus 8 into 4 will be plus 32. So these sign, please make a correction. Negative into negative will be positive. Negative into positive will be negative only. So it will be negative negative, that is you have to add, and sign will be negative only. So 3y square minus 28y plus 32. So these two sign Please make a correction, children. Once again I'll show you. Here it is negative 24 because it is 8 3s are 24 and negative 8. So negative 24y, and negative becomes plus, so plus 32. These two symbols you have to make a correction, children, there. So the final answer will be 3y square minus 28y plus 32. So next one, once again a binomial, multiplying with a binomial. So this is a plus 3b multiplied by x plus 5. So a is multiplied to x plus 5 plus 3b multiplied by x plus 5, which is nothing but a multiplied by x will be ax, a multiplied by 5 will be 5a, 3b multiplied by x will be plus 3bx, and 3b multiplied by 5 will be plus 15b. So here again no need to calculate further, children, because all are unlike terms. So the final answer will be ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. That's it, children. For today we will stop over here, and in the next session we will again continue with the same exercise. Thank you.